Knock, knock, knock. I'm going to wash my hands. Hello, my name is Sajida. I will be your student nurse today. Can I see your wristband, please? Can you tell me your first name and last name and date of birth for me?
Fatima Alsavar, 11/12/91.
Perfect. Fatima, today I'm going to perform cranial nerve assessment on you. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to start by cranial nerve 2, because cranial nerve number 1 is normally done at the neurologist's office. So for cranial nerve number 2, do you wear any glasses or eye contact?
No.
Okay, so Fatima, we have Snellen chart on the wall. It's 20 feet away. And what I'm gonna have you for this test is cover one eye and read from the lowest line that you can without missing 3 characters or more. So can you go ahead and cover your right eye and
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
perfect, you have 20/20. Now let's do your left eye.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Perfect, you have 20/20. Now both eyes together.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna test your cranial nerve number 3, 4, and 6 using my pen light. So first I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 3. So Fatima, I want you to look at my finger. I'm gonna flash a light on your eye. Okay, perfect. Your pupil are round and size 3. Now I want you to look at my pen light. I want you to follow it without moving your head, okay? Perfect. Now I'm going to test for cranial nerve number 4. So I want you to also look at my pen light and follow it. Perfect. Now I want you to put your hand on your nose, like that, okay? And I'm gonna flash a pen light on her right eye, but I'm gonna look at the left eye. I wanna see if they accommodate to light together. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 6, which I want you to also look at the pen light and follow it without moving your head. Perfect. Now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 5. I want you to close your mouth and I'm gonna place my both hands under your chin and I want you to open your mouth against resistance. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna feel your mastication muscles. So I want you to pretend like you're chewing something. Okay, now your temporal muscle. Perfect. Now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 7, which is a facial. Fatima, I want you to smile for me. Perfect. Raise your eyebrows. Okay. And can you puff your cheeks? Okay, perfect. Now I want you to say a word with 2 syllables.
Football.
Perfect. So I'm looking for her face symmetry, and cranial nerve number 7 is intact. Okay, now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 8, which I want. What I'm gonna do is I want you to cover one ear. I'm gonna whisper in a word, and I want you to repeat that after me.
Apple.
Perfect. Now the left ear or the right ear.
Banana.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 9, which Fatima, I want you to open your mouth and say ah.
Ah.
Perfect. I'm looking at her uvula. It's elevated and it stays in the midline. Now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 10. Fatima, can you tell me what's today's date?
11/1/2020.
Perfect. And who's the president for the United States?
Donald Trump.
Perfect. And now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 11. So for cranial nerve number 11, I want you to move your head up and down, right and left, and lateral, like this. Okay. And I'm gonna place my both hands on your shoulder, and I want you to shrug your shoulders. Perfect. Now I'm gonna test for cranial nerve number 12. Fatima, can you stick out your tongue and move it side to side? Perfect. So now we're done with the cranial nerve assessment. Your cranial nerve 2 to 12 are intact. I'm gonna put the bed in the lowest position. Do you want your side rails up or down?
They're down fine.
Perfect. And I'm gonna give you your call light and reach. Do you need anything else, Fatima?
No, thank you.
Perfect. I'm going to wash my hands and document.